Hey, what's up, guys? This is El Indio de Laredo, and you already saw my project, and I was modifying it so that I can get more heat, but unfortunately, those little legs in the back they were not suitable, or maybe they were not heat intended, so I added the ones in the front. But I'm gonna do something else, and I'm gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna go bigger this time, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take this little guy. I'm gonna make some space. Legs, dryer vent, tape, hinge, and to close it. Okay, so what I did right now is that so I can get this handle here, I aligned this with this, and this with this over here. So we can have that handle here. Okay, I'm thinking of either going in a circle, so that can be the opening, or just go straight and the circle, or I don't know. I'll probably go circle. I'll do the circle then. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Oh yeah. This is what I did. I just cut around it. And then I added this over here. And then I added this little latch over here. And I kept this so I can use it so I can open it and close it. There you go. Okay, so far I added the legs and the lid. And voila! I have a bigger, better chimney. And there you go, guys. The new and improved an Indio Chimney 2.0.